All right. Any doubts on the last task?
No, sir.
Homeworks, assignments, everything is complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a
Hello.
doubt on question number 3.
Question number 3. Can you tell me the question?
Assignment. Yes, I'm saying. Find n if 6n power plus 2 C8 equals to 57 n
Second
minus 2
exam.
P4.
Please repeat. Thoda slow.
Should I send you the question?
No, just tell me 6 and
16n.
16 and
1 minute. Yeah.
sorry.
Just a minute, sir. I sent you in chat.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, 16 n plus 2. Oh, this is not 16 to the power n plus 2. This is n plus 2 C8.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, now you can solve. Yes or no?
Can you solve?
Then this is equals to 57 n minus 2 P4. Okay.
Yes.
How to solve this? Dekho. 16 is 16 n plus 2 factorial whole divided by n plus 2 minus 8 factorial and 8 factorial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to 57 into n minus 2 factorial whole divided by n minus 2 minus 4 factorial and 4 factorial. All right.
Yes, sir.
So 16, let's simplify. This is n plus 2, n plus 1, n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is n minus 6 factorial, 8 factorial equals to 57 n minus 2 factorial divided by this is n minus 6 factorial 4 factorial. तो ये गया ये गया ये गया ये गया. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Plus 2.
So let's see what can be cancelled out. Let's bring all the numbers to one side. N plus 2, n plus 1, n minus 1 equals to 57 into 8 factorial upon 16 into 4 factorial. Okay. So now you can just open this factorials. Things will be cancelled out. You'll get the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no doubts. Remember that method,
No
4 consecutive multiplication. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Anyone else? Any doubts?
Sir, I have a doubt on the first question.
Okay, please tell me the question.
All the permutations of the letters of the word again are arranged as in dictionary, then the 50th word is.
50th. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Who solved this? Anyone who solved this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, the task is same, right? So let's arrange them in alphabetical order. So Harsha, tell me alphabetical order.
A,
I got
G,
A, the answer.
Okay. एक एक करके.
G.
Yes, Afaf, you got the answer.
The answer I got is A. But N-A-A-I-G.
N-A-A-I-G. Okay, let's see.
A-A-I-G.
Right. And Harsha now A-A-G-I-N, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start with A. 4 factorial.
Yes.
Okay. So now what happens? And now you have to calculate every time you write because they have given you a rank, राइट कि भाई 50वें में कौन है. So you have to count all the numbers. So this is 24.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now with starting with G. How many words?
24.
No.
The 4
Still
factorial.
G. 4 factorial upon 2 factorial because 2 A's have to arrange, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 12. Now we have I.
12.
12. 4 factorial, 2 factorial. So this is 50, right? So this must be the 50th word, the last of I. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
which one will be the last of I? And Afaf, you have got the wrong answer. Okay. The word will start with I, but the last one will have the last letter first. So N, G, A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. So combinations, anyone has any doubts? No. Okay.
No.
All right. Let's solve few questions then. Akib, are you able to understand anything? Okay. Please get the recorded lectures, right? When you have missed the classes. In how many ways can a football team of 11 players
Sir, can
be
you just
selected?
scroll up once?
Okay.
So there isn't any option with INGAA. There is IGNAA.
Oh, okay. Yes, my bad. I added wrong actually. है ना? Sometimes that happens. 24 plus 12 is 36 plus 12 is 48 actually. Okay. For some reason, I calculated this as 50 and none of you corrected me. Okay. So this is also actually not the word. Sorry, Afaf. I think you got the right answer. Okay. So the word will start with N. So we have completed 48 words. So 49th, what will be the 49th word? NAAGI.
IG. Yeah,
GI.
IG.
Yes.
GI, GI.
Next one will be IG. So this will be the
IG.
50th word. Okay. Is this option
A.
A? Okay. And Afaf has said NAAIG. Okay. Very good. It was my mistake, Afaf. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So very good. All right. Clear, Harsha?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
यार बता दिया करो ऐसे मिस्टेक्स हो जाते हैं कभी कभी है ना. Okay. So in how many ways can a football team of 11 players be selected out of 16 players? Please solve this.
16 factorial by 55 factorial.
Sixteen C 11, right?
Yes.
So 16 factorial.
By
Did you multiply? Did you multiply this
yes.
11 factorial? No. You cannot do that
Why, sir?
because 5 factorial की अपनी एक जिंदगी है. इसकी जिंदगी कैसी है? ऐसी. Okay. When you multiply this,
Yes.
तो बड़ी गुनाह कर रहे हैं हम. Okay. If you have to multiply, then you have to multiply all individual numbers. You cannot just write this is 55 factorial because 55 factorial will be a lot more than multiplication of these two. Okay.
Okay. Yes. So we'll keep just like this 5 factorial and factorial.
No, you can solve further, right? Because this will be, if you remember, I told you how to solve, right? This is 16C5. So
Yeah.
16 into 15 into 14
16.
into 12 upon 5 factorial is 120. But ऐसे लिख लो ज़्यादा better है.
336.
Okay. I do not have the answer. All right.
Yes.
तो अब काटापिटी करना बस 5 दिया 15 तो गया 8 है क्या नहीं 4 दिया 2 अष्टा ठीक है that means 8 into 3 into 14 into 13 you have to do.
So can we use the short trick which you gave NC n minus R?
Yes, that is what I did, right? 16C5 I wrote 16C5, 16C11 I wrote 16C5.
Yes.
Okay, clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So can you scroll
next.
down, you know?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, next question. Please write down. Question is, in how many ways a committee of 5 members can be selected from 6 men and 5 women consisting of 3 men and 2 women. Okay, very easy question. Solve this. Tell me when you are done.
So what is written after 5 women?
Consisting of 3 men and 2 women. Okay.
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay. One student got the answer. बाकी सब क्या कर? No, two students, Harsha and Rishita. Okay. बाकी सब आकिब, अफाफ. देखो ये बहुत सिंपल है. दे आर सेइंग एक कमिटी बनानी है जिसमें 5 मेंबर्स हैं, राइट? जिसमें 3 मेन एंड 2 वुमेन होने चाहिए. आउट ऑफ कितने? 6 मेन एंड 5 वुमेन. That means we have to choose 3 men out of 6. So the answer of this is 6C3. How many of you are clear about this? How we got 63? बोलो भाई, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir, it is true.
Okay. And now you have to select 2 men out of 5. So choosing 2 men out of 5 is 5C2. Now we'll add them. We'll get the answer. Yes?
Yes.
No.
Multiply, right?
Multiply, right? Yes, we have to multiply, not add, because fundamental principle of multiplication. We have to choose 3 men and 2 men, not or. Right? If the question said it can be selected from 6 men or 2 women, then you can add. All right? तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे में हाँ से हाँ नहीं मिलाएंगे. So the answer of this is 6, 5 into 4 upon 3 factorial into 5, 4 upon 2 factorial. तो ये 3 से 6 गया, 2 से 2 ले लो, 20, 200. Absolutely correct answer. All right, Harsha, Rishita. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
How many of you play cards or know about cards?
I know about cards, but I don't play.
Yes, I
Okay.
do.
So everyone knows, right? I do not need to explain.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. No, Akib, we are not going to play Uno. Okay. Just I have a question related to cards. And if you do not know, then you have to know. Okay. In math. What is the number of ways playing cards? Normal playing cards होते हैं ना, A 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 AQJ. Okay, what is the number of ways? Yes. Okay. So what is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards in how many ways 4 cards are of the same suit? Four cards belong to 4 different suits. Four cards are face card. Two red cards and 2 black cards. Cards are of same color. Okay, this is a multi-part question. You have to solve all of
Sir,
them.
can you read this question from starting?
Okay. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? This is the first question. Then the second part starts. In how many ways? Option मतलब पहला part, 4 cards are of the same suit. Okay, so this is in total 6 questions. Second part is 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. Third one is 4 cards are face cards. Then fourth one is 2 red cards and 2 black cards. Fifth one is cards are of same color. Everyone knows face cards, colors, suits, right?
Yes.
Career to solve. Okay, solve it. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay. Solving it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो भाई, एक बच्चे ने हथियार डाल दिया है। और कोई?
Sir, I did
Anyone
it, but
solve
I'm
it?
not sure.
Not sure. Okay. This question will check your knowledge of fundamental principles. Okay. First part, first question they asked is choosing 4 cards out of 52 cards. What will be the answer?
1/4.
1/4. How?
So I got 7 and 5.
In the previous question, you had to choose 3 men out of 6. What was the answer? 63.
Yes.
So you have
So
to choose.
13C4.
13C4 by 52C4.
No. I am asking about this. In how many ways you can choose 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? Not going into this parts yet.
52C4.
52.
52C.
Right.
Yes.
Now, first part. What is the first part saying? First part is saying
4 cards are of same suit.
right. Ab na, listen to this very carefully. You have 4 suits, right?
Yes.
So either the cards will be of this suit, or of this suit, or of this suit, or of this suit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Each have 13 cards.
Yes.
So 13C4 or 13C4 or 13C4 or 13C4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Second one, 4 cards belong to the 4 different suit. कौन बताएगा इसका आंसर बताओ?
13C4 plus 13C3.
No,
Sir,
no.
when we get 13C4 like that, do we have to solve it, or we just leave it like that?
Yes. No. You have to solve it. Actually, this is 4 into 13C4, right? So you can solve this. No issues. Okay. I am leaving it like this, but you have to solve this. Okay. Second one, not 13C4, 13C3, 13C2. No. Think about this. If 4 cards belong to 4 different suits, that means how many cards are you choosing from each suit?
1.
So 13C1 plus 13C1 plus 13C1. Yes?
Sir, isn't it into?
Yes, it's into, right? Because if you have to choose 4 cards of different suits, then you have to choose one from each suit. So one and another and another and another. किस किस को बात समझ में आ गई, किस किस को नहीं आई? Okay, I believe that is got it, sir. Okay. Third part, 4 cards are face card. How many face cards are there?
12.
12. So you have to choose 4. So 12C4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 red cards and 2 black cards.
26C2 into 26C2.
Yes. Okay. Cards are of same color.
Again, 26C4 into 26C4.
Not into. It can be either red or black, right? Cards can be black or red. So 26C4 plus 26C4. Okay. It can be
Okay.
red or black. Okay. Afaf. Is it clear? नहीं, अफाफ को नहीं समझ में आया. आकिब?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So this is based on fundamental principle. Next question. देखें कौन कर सकता है ना. अच्छे से दिमाग लगाइए. I'll give you one hint also. Make cases. कि पहला केस, दूसरा केस. All right. Try to imagine the whole situation. In how many ways? And you can put a heading also. choosing with restrictions or constraints. In how many ways can a team of four boys and four girls be selected out of 6 boys and 5 girls if a particular boy and a particular girl refuse to work together? Okay. Or write down the question. I'll explain how to solve. Okay, you don't worry. Done writing this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So they are saying 4 boys and 4 girls we have to select out of 6 boys. So let's name them B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, and 5 girls. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. Okay. Now they are saying one particular boy and one particular girl refuse to work together. उनकी नहीं बनती भाई साहब, ठीक है? So let's consider B6 is the boy and G5 is the girl. Okay, इन दोनों की नहीं बनती, so they cannot work together, right? This thing is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So wherever you have this type of questions, always consider the restriction first. The restriction is B6 and G5 cannot work together. So let's make cases. Case 1, where B6 is selected, but G5 is not. Okay, this is selected and this is not. Okay, so हमने दोनों में कंडीशन डाल दी है that B6 must be selected, but G5 must not be selected. Okay, so how many boys we have to select? 4, but we have already selected one, which is B6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you have to choose 3 out of 5, क्योंकि एक चला गया तो 5 में से 3, so 5C3, and we have to select 4 girls out of 4 girls because G5 cannot be considered. So 4C4. ये बात कितनों को समझ में आ गई?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. So case 2. Yes, Afaf, clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Case 2 is B6 नहीं जा रहा, G5 जा रही है. Who can tell me?
563 times 564.
5C.
Think again, how many boys and how many girls we have to select?
564 times 56. 56.
5C4 into 5C3.
No.
4C3 because
5C6.
girl is already.
4C3. Yes, right. Because G5 तो already जा चुकी, हमने उसको तो बोल दिया भाई आप तो आ ही रहे हैं. So you have to select 3 more out of 4 more. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the
Okay.
question is complete. Okay. Who wants to explain again? कोई है जिसको दोबारा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Second case और first case also, Harsha?
Second, sir.
Alright. Second में हमने क्या बोला? B6 is not going at all. No chance. G5 इज मस्ट, राइट? तो हमें 4 लड़की और 4 बॉयज चाहिए। सो एक को तो लड़की हमने चूज कर ही लिया, G5. सो हाउ मेनी मोर यू हैव टू चूज? 3? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
And out of 4, because G5 is already in, so out of 4 you have to choose 3 girls, so 4C3. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes.
now B6 cannot go, so you have only 5 boys to choose from, and you have to select 4, so 5C4. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so question is complete?
Yes, sir.
No. Case 3, यहाँ हमने क्या करा है, एक में B6 जा रहा है, एक में G5 जा रहा है, बट देयर मस्ट बी सिचुएशन वेयर ये दोनों नहीं जा रहे. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
तो इसका आंसर बताओ.
Uh, 5, 6, 4 into
into 4C4.
Yes.
Okay,
yes, sir.
all right, please write it down. सबको बात समझ में आ गई तो बढ़िया, नहीं आई तो बताइए, फिर से समझाएंगे.
So can you explain case 3?
केस 3 इज वेयर हमने D6 एंड G5 को दोनों को घर पे ही बिठा दिया. वी सेड तुम लोग बिल्कुल नहीं जा रहे, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली नॉट गोइंग, राइट? सो वी हैव टू
Yes.
चूज 4 आउट ऑफ 5 बॉयज, सो 5C4. B6 is out,
Yes,
right?
I see.
B6 is out, and G5 is
Yes.
also out, so we have to choose
Out.
4 girls out of 4, so 4C4.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to
Okay.
learn how to make cases. All right, now you can see like different questions. The questions are like becoming good.
So then we have to add all the cases, right?
Yes. Done? Done everyone?
So
Yes, sir.
Sorry, disconnect हो गया. I joined.
No issues, no issues. हमने आगे नहीं बढ़े हैं. This question is clear, right, Rishita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's solve one more question. और ये आपको solve करना है. In how many ways? आकिब भाई साहब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? In how many ways can a cricket team of 11 players be chosen out of 13 players if no restrictions are there? One player is always chosen. One player is never chosen. Okay. Understood the question, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arsha. First part, no restrictions. You have to choose 11 out of 13. 13C, 11. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No. one player is always chosen. That means एक तो आ ही गया हमारे पास. So you have to choose 10 out of 12. 12 C 10. ये बात clear सबको?
Yes, sir.
13 is one player is never chosen. एक भाई साहब को तो choose करना ही नहीं है. So 12 C 11. You have to choose 11 out of 12. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Oops, my bad. A committee of 12 is to be formed from 9 women and 8 men. In how many ways can this be done if at least 5 women have to be included in a committee? Okay, one hint for you. They are saying at least. That means it can be 6, 7, 8, 9 also, right? या तो 5 वुमेन चाहिए, या तो 6 वुमेन चाहिए, या तो 7, या तो 8, या तो 9. So make cases of each one where you are including 5 women, second case 6 women, third case 7 women, fourth case 8 women, and so on. Okay. Is it clear what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
करिए solve फिर.
So this will be 9C5 for women's.
Yes. First case, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you are selecting 5 women. So how many men you have to select? 7. Because the team is of 12. Okay.
So case 2 into 9C6 into 12C6.
Into 12C6.
Yes.
How many men are there?
8.
So you have to choose 6 out of 8, right? Not 12.
Okay.
Right? 9C6 means you are choosing 6 women out of 9. That means you have to choose 6 men. So 8C6.
8C6. How many cases should we make?
As many as required. What is the maximum number of women you can choose?
11.
11. You have 9 women in total. So how would you choose 11?
Okay. Maximum. 9
Okay.
only we can choose. Yes.
So cases will be 5 women, 6 women, 7, 8, and 9. 5 cases. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Do I need to
Yes, sir.
solve this, or let me just write the answer? For 5 women, the answer will be 9C5 into 8C7.
8C7.
Yes, the
Yes.
966, 8C6.
9C6 into 8C6. 9C7 into 8C5. 9C8 into 8C4. 9C9 into 8C3.
Yes. Okay, very good. And you have to solve it further also, right? आप ऐसे मत छोड़ के आ जाना.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is write down geometrical problems. Bhai, how many points do you require to join a line, to make a line?
2.
2, right? As simple as that. On this concept, there is a question. Lines L1 and line L2 are parallel to each other. Three points are taken on L1 and 4 points are taken on L2. How many new straight lines can be drawn passing through these points. Write down the question, I'll explain what it means.
Done, sir.
Okay. So this is geometrical based question. What they are saying is we have two parallel lines, okay, L1 and L2. We have to take 3 points on L1, A, B, and C, and 4 points on L2, P, Q, R. I think how many different lines can be formed using these points? One out of this, one out of this. So any line can be formed using 2 points, as we know. So if I choose 1 point from this and 1 point from this, I'll get a line. Yes or no?
Yes.
So as simple as that, you have to choose 1 point out of 3 points, 3C1, and you have to choose 1 point out of 4 points, 4C1. The answer is 12. Okay.
Sir, can you explain again?
Okay. To get a line, you have to have 2 points, right?
Yes.
And remember, you cannot draw a line, different line, using this PQ, QR. So you have to choose a point from this L1, a point from L2. Yes.
Yes.
So choosing 1 point from L1. How many points we have? 3 points.
Yes. 3 points.
3C1. And if you have to choose 1 point from L2, 4C1.
4C1.
And you have to do this simultaneously. So 12. Okay.
So,
Okay,
but
sir.
why are we taking one?
Sorry?
So why are we taking one? 3C1.
Because to join, to make a line, you only need 1 point from this. Right? Because if you take 3C2, suppose, then you are choosing 2 points out of 3. So you will get this line, AB line. AB is not different from L1. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sir.
Next question. Count the number of rectangles in a chessboard. Okay, give it a try. What, any idea?
No, sir.
See, how many lines do you
The
require?
chessboard has rectangles or square?
Yes, but they are asking rectangles.
So how to do that?
Okay. 1 2 3 4. One more line. Okay. This is the way a square board is, right? And 8 lines like this. 8,
Yes.
Yes.
6. Okay. बड़ा गंदा सा बना है, but this is what it is. Okay. देखो, हम ये छोटे छोटे को देखें, then they are squares, right? But suppose I look at this. Is this a rectangle or a square?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. But this is also a rectangle.
Yes.
So they are asking you to count these. कैसे करें?
It can have many.
Yes, it
Chessboard.
can. Yes, it has many, that we know. But how to count? They want exact answer. देखो, think
can
in
we-
for, yes. Can we do what?
Nothing, sir. I thought of taking one rectangle as one square unit, but it's supposed to be a square.
What do we need to get a rectangle?
Symbol.
4 sides equal.
Right. 4 sides, or I can say one pair of parallel sides and another pair of parallel sides. Yes or no?
Yes.
So one pair of parallel sides in horizontal direction, one pair of parallel lines in, oh,
Vertical
this is
direction.
vertical. Yes, vertical and
And
horizontal direction, right? Now, if you join
Yes.
these two, you will get a rectangle for sure. Yes or no?
Yes.
How many lines we have in horizontal?
8.
Count again.
10.
10.
10.
9. भाई, अरे 8 डब्बे बनाने हैं भाई. 8 डब्बे के लिए 9 lines, right? 1 2 3
No,
4 5
9.
6
Yes,
7
9.
8 9. And how many lines for horizontal? 9, right?
9.
Yes.
9.
So you have to choose 2 out of 9. So 9C,
Hmm.
2. And you have to choose 2 vertical also. So 9C, 2. This is the answer. So these are how many rectangles are there in a square. Okay.
So
Kiss
can
kiss
you
को-
explain again?
Okay. See, remember the question of line. To get a line, what we need? We need 2 points, right? So we chose 1 point from the first line, 1 point from the second line. We got a line. We do not care which point it is. Yes or no?
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
Now, to get a rectangle, we only care about pair of parallel lines. 2 lines should be horizontal, 2 lines should be vertical. Yes or no?
Vertical. Yes.
So that is what we are doing. We have 9 horizontal lines, and I need 2 to get a rectangle. So I chose 2
Yes.
horizontal lines. Same for vertical. We have 9 vertical lines, but I only need 2 to get a rectangle. So 9C2. If I multiply them, then I'll get the number of rectangles. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Last question of geometry based. Count the number of diagonals of a 10-sided polygon. Think about this.
Sir, count the number of
Diagonals. Right? If we have 4 sides, then 2 diagonals. If we have 5 sides, then we have 4 diagonals. आपने बचपन में एक फॉर्मूला पढ़ा होगा इसका शायद क्लास 8 में. So this is the derivation of that formula. Okay, think about this. Done anyone? भाई किसी का दिमाग चला इसमें? नहीं सर, कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन दे देते हो आप? See, to get a diagonal, again, a diagonal is a straight line. Yes or no? बोलो भाई, right? And to get a line, we only need 2 points. So if it is a 10-sided, if it is a 10-sided polygon, that means we have 10 points to choose from.
Yes.
So we need only 2 points.
10C5,
10C2. Right?
10C2.
Because joining any 2 points will get us a line. Okay. But remember this, if you choose suppose this and this point, then this is not a diagonal, but this is a side. Okay. Yes or no? So you have to subtract the number of sides because we have counted the number of sides also. So this will be the answer. Who is clear? Who is not? Clear?
You asked right to
Kushita.
count the number of diagonals. So when
Yes.
we join the lines,
Hmm.
so we'll get 5 diagonals, right? So can't we write 10C5 minus 10?
No. We have said 10-sided polygon. That means it is a 10-sided polygon. Okay. ऐसे ऐसे करके 10 साइड है उसके. So number of diagonals will be a lot more.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So how to count? Diagonal is a side. So to count this number of sides, lines, we only need 2 points. We have 10 points in total because it is a 10-sided polygon. So 10C2. But if we join adjacent points, then we get side. So we subtracted number of sides. What remains will be a diagonal. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So your homework question is count the number of diagonals in n-sided polygon. Okay, and you have to like solve it completely. All right. And guys, today's assessment is going to happen in this class only. All right, you'll be getting a notification of breakout room. Please join that. Assessment will be happening there. Okay.
So can you repeat what you said?
Okay, I'm saying assessment is in the class only. You will get a notification of breakout room. Please join the breakout room. Okay, and
Okay.
then do the assessment. All right. So आज जो भी करा absolutely clear everyone. अरे बोलो
Yes.
भाई. Okay, so please revise. See you in the next class, guys. Take care. You guys do not leave. Okay, I am leaving only.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.